Hello everyone, welcome to Future Tech Bytes. Today I'm super excited to show you how NX can make building modern applications easier and faster. Let's head over to NX Workspace at nx.dev and check out while I walk you through. Ready? Let's go. Alright, here we are. This is nx.dev. You can see right away it's a smart repos fast build for scaling your development. That sounds cool, right? But what does it mean for Angular developer like us? NX is a tool that helps manage big Angular project, especially when you are working on multiple apps or sharing a code between your teams. It's a supercharged version of Angular CLI, make everything faster and more organized. Let's look at Angular monorepo. NX lets you keep all your Angular apps and libraries in one place, a monorepo. This is awesome because you can share a code like components or service across different apps without duplicating stuffs. For example, if you are building a shopping app and admin dashboard, you can reuse the same product list component in each. Click on Angular sections. Let's walk you through. Like NX has a various features and special tools for Angulars like generating to quickly apps and components. It supports modern tools like ESBuild for faster code build. Now, why use Annex for Angular? First, it's fast. I have been using this for more than 3 years in my work and it's great. You can see a lot of latest features within this Annex workspace and I recommend this for anyone building a Angular app in this modern time. Okay, let's talk why Annex for Angular. First, it's fast as I mentioned earlier. Annex uses caching, so if you haven't changed the file, it is keep building it. That saves a lot of times, a ton of times when you are testing or deploying. So let's see what are the some of the great features that we can use in Annex. There are things like dependency graph, tags running. The dependency graph show how your code connects. So you know exactly what affected when you make change. Suppose if there is a parent component or child component, you can see the connection between them. And suppose if there is one Angular app and there is one shared library like a common library like a button or icons, when you build a graph you can see a graph clearly indicating that app is connected to the share library. So due to this you can know where your code are connected. This is a huge big projects when things can get messy due to circular dependency. Another cool things about Annex make testing easier. You can find various modern testing tools like Playwright or Jest, which are faster than old tools like Karma. You can run test just for the part of your change, not the whole app. This is a big time saver. Plus, it works great with CI systems. So your builds and platforms like GitHub Actions are quicker and more reliable. Okay, let's click on starting a new project in Annex. Annex show how to create a new workspace with a simple command. You can see This is the command for adding the annex if you have any other old CLI project and you can say creating a new workspace. You can just create a new workspace using this simple command line and include the latest libraries within the annex. You can pick Angular as your framework and boom, you got a workspace set up with an app, test, and linting all ready to go at once. You can even add libraries for shear code or set up server-side rendering for better performance. It's super flexible. One last things about why I love Annex is how it keeps your code clean. It uses ESLint to enforce rules so you don't accidentally import something you shouldn't. This keeps your app maintainable even when it's growing huge. And if you see, we're in the docs. The Annex has ton of tutorials and community on Discord, so you never get stuck in any issue. You can find your resources wisely about Annex. Annex is a game changer for Angular developer. It saves times, keep your code clean, organize, scales with your project. You can head to Annex Dev and try it out. Let me know how it goes. I can show you a quick demo app I have created using Annex.